Ever wondered how much car you can really afford? We will break it down for you. Today we're unmasking the mystery behind car affordability. We'll be navigating through 3 cardinal rules. First, never let your car purchase exceed 35% of your salary. Second, apply the 24/10 rule. And finally, we'll deliberate on the age-old question: to lease or to buy? These guidelines will help you steer clear of financial potholes on your journey to car ownership. Let's dive into the first rule, shall we? You might be tempted to splurge on that fancy car, but remember Rule 1. Let's try to make it simple. If you're earning $40,000 a year, your maximum car budget should be around $14,000. Got a salary of $80,000? Then $28,000 is your limit, and if you're lucky enough to pull in a cool $150,000 a year, $52,500 is your car ceiling. Why these numbers, you ask? Well, the golden rule is don't pay more than 35% of your salary for a car. This way you won't become a slave to your car payments and you'll have money to invest in other parts of your life. Remember, cars are big expenses that can prevent you from becoming financially independent. It's not about how fancy your ride is, it's about financial independence. Now, on to Rule 2. Now that you know how much to spend, let's talk about how to spend it. Rule 2 is the 24/10 rule. A simple formula that ensures you're not biting off more car than you can chew financially. The rule is as follows. First, make a 20% down payment on your car. This hefty initial payment will reduce your monthly installments and overall interest, making the rest of your payments much easier. Second, don't finance a car for more than 4 years. It's tempting to spread the cost over a longer period, but a shorter term will mean a more manageable monthly payment and less interest paid overall. Third, keep your total monthly car expenses, including maintenance and insurance, to less than 10% of your gross monthly income. This helps ensure you can comfortably cover your other bills and any financial surprises life throws your way. So let's say your salary is $40,000. Your monthly car payment, including expenses, should be no more than $333. If you're earning $80,000, that figure rises to $666. And if you're lucky enough to be on a salary of $150,000, your monthly payment should not exceed $1,250. This rule ensures you don't get overwhelmed with car payments. Now let's tackle Rule 3. You know how much to spend and how to manage payments, but should you lease or buy? It's the million-dollar question, or perhaps more accurately, the thousands of dollars question. Leasing can seem like a dream come true. New car every 3 to 4 years, lower down payment and monthly costs, not to mention a warranty that has your back. It's perfect for those who like to keep things fresh and avoid unexpected maintenance costs. But what about buying? If you're a road trip enthusiast, clocking in those miles without worrying about a mileage cap, buying is your best bet. It gives you total control to modify your car to your heart's content. And over time, you might even save money as you're not continually making payments. Like most things in life, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The key is to weigh your options carefully. Whether you lease or buy, make sure it fits your lifestyle and finances. Before we wrap up, here are some pro tips to remember. First, don't forget to shop around for insurance. Prices can vary dramatically, so it pays to call around and get the best deal. Second, consider buying a used car that's around 3 years old. It's still fairly new, reliable, and most of the depreciation has already been factored into the price, giving you a great deal. Lastly, choose a car that's cheap to maintain. There are online calculators that can help you determine the cost of owning a car, and it's worth doing this research. Remember, buying a car isn't just about the sticker price. You also have to consider insurance, maintenance, and the potential for unexpected expenses. Remember, a car is a big investment. Make sure it's one you can afford. Drive safely.